Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes back with another one, guys. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So AMC sneak attack. So exactly what I mean by this, guys. AMC is basically going to try and sneak its way up just with the overall market. But AMC is going to try to be sneakier than the overall market. As we can see, certain securities on Friday was doing fairly well. Some was stagnant. Some was actually coming down. We know we had a crazy week. Big dogs reporting earnings. Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Facebook, or Meta, whatever one you want to put it as. And we know, we had some bad earnings. We had some slight, everything basically was bad in their eyes besides Apple. Apple reported great earnings per share, better than expectations, revenue better than expectations. They is expecting a slowdown in the near future. And that's the type of bones they'll throw out there and try and throw you off your game. Apple ain't expecting too much of a bad a quarter upcoming in the next 2024 or whatever the case may be. Being for the fact that Apple is so ahead of the game, they could easily change the dynamics of their company. Being for the fact that they've been in the phone industry for a while now, dominated the space, arguably one of the best phones out right now. Like, everybody's Apple fans. With that being said, Apple is now looking to get into the insurance space. Once they get in the insurance space, they're looking to get in the car space. Apple is looking to take over the world, damn near, guys. So I definitely don't believe it's going to be a slowdown for Apple. It could be stagnant, but I don't believe it's going to be a slowdown. So let's go ahead and take a further look at what's going on in the overall market and what's been happening, guys, because AMC is going to try to do a sneak attack. So AMC ended Friday at $6.51. It was pretty much stagnant. It shot up that morning, shot right back down, shot up right again towards lunchtime, usually when it's a sell-off, and then consolidated the close throughout the remainder of the day. As we noticed, AMC should have the way better than it did on Friday, being for the fact of its competitors and its peers. GameStop was up over 9% on Friday alone, guys, ending at 28.35. Continue to, trend upward on Friday, to continue to make higher highs and higher lows, guys, giving us the exact form of a pattern that we're looking for a continuation. So as we know, Bed Bath & Beyond also was doing well. It was a bit more choppier, but it was doing, that's one of the ones that will usually take off before AMC and GME. We could see Bed Bath & Beyond shoot up 50 to 100% in a single day, while AMC and GME is being stagnant. But GME is now on the rise, guys. As we know, the cost for short sellers to short AMC and GME has gone up drastically, but they is still aiming to short it, guys, and shorten it. So let's go ahead and take a further look at what's going on as well, guys. So right here we got, the market rally revs higher, time to step on the gas. So we know also the Feds is throwing out a bone, basically saying they could possibly be less aggressive with hiking interest rates. They haven't 100% confirmed that yet, but we know that will also put easing on the market and cause it to also get a bullish reaction, which we was already, we anticipating on this happening anyway. So the Dow skated through tech earnings unscathed and ended Friday with another big rally. It jumped 2.6% or more than 800 points. It's 6 wins in a row, guys. So we know it's been a wild ride. It's been a wild ride, and it's only getting crazier from here. So let's go ahead and take a look at the market, guys, because something big is coming, and we getting our little homework, our little, putting little things out there that basically give us a little indication on what the market is going to do going forward. When we already, anticipating on it happening anyway, you also use other little components of corresponding markets and what's going on in our markets, and to give us a little hindsight on what exactly could happen next. So as we know, guys, over the weekend, that's usually when crypto gained a bit more traction from all the money that was pouring in the market throughout the weekday. Now it's bored sitting on the sidelines, it'll pour into crypto to help get it some traction going on. So as we know, Bitcoin has been sitting around that 20,600, 20,700 area. It finally broke through it, guys, running up towards 21,000. Shiba Inu is taking off as well. And with these signs, guys, guess what's going to happen to the overall market? It's going to take off right behind the crypto industry as well, guys. So that's a good sign, good indication that tomorrow, Monday, not tomorrow, but next week, could open up big. And especially being for the fact that I told you guys in Friday's video how the market was reacting. It opened up big, then shot down. It changed moves 3 times in one day. Throughout the gate on Friday, it was looking like bullish, everything bullish, bullish market. Then around 10, 11 o'clock, everything bearish, like looking like it was a whole mood change. It was about to get ugly real quick. And I came out with the video, I told you guys, this crazy, you know, this to be expected. They going to try and do this to mess with your psychological points of thinking. And towards the end of the day or lunchtime, we should see a cup and handle. We should see a reversal. Us going to create higher highs from this morning. And that's exactly what happened, guys. I posted a screenshot on the page showing you guys multiple securities that was creating a higher high after having a crazy morning like that, looking as if it didn't have a chance of coming back. But I had knew it would possibly come back, and you know, a strong possibility being for the fact of how choppy the market has been this month and what the market is anticipating on doing, which is going up, guys. Even though it's expecting to come back down, like I told you, the market don't just go straight down, 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 and it ain't gonna just go straight up, 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 up. Once we get into a bullish market, it's going to be, you know, once we get in the bullish market, it's going to be bearishness inside of that bullish market. Just how we in the bearish market right now. And there's going to be bullish activity and bullishness inside of this bearish market. So as we know, guys, like I say, get ready, because I do believe it's going to be a sneak attack. As we can tell, you know, Bitcoin trying to be sneaky. It'll drop 10%. And next thing you know, shoot up 20-30% SHIB. And then same thing with these securities. It dropped 10%. And the same day, these large cap companies shouldn't be moving like this at all, guys. Dropping 10-12% in a single day and shooting right back up 10-12% in a single day. It's already mind-blowing for you to do it one time, for you to drop 10-20-30% in a day, then for you to give back those gains. So as you know, guys, like I say, be prepared, be ready to capitalize, be ready to make that money, you know, use the market money. Aim small, miss small, build your portfolios up, build it up. Once you build it up, then you can go a little bigger. Once you got day money to play with, house money, then you can, you know, go a little bigger and be a little bit more aggressive. But at the beginning, you need to aim small, miss small, stack up your coins, build those blocks. And once you got a big old house, big old mansion built, not literally, but yeah, I know that's what we want. Once you got that big old thing built, then you can start aiming a bit higher for bigger profits, or could potentially take a bigger loss because you can afford it. So you already know what to do, guys. As your boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. I love y'all. Get in VIP. Watch out for spams and WhatsApp, all that in the comment down below. I love you. We out, and God bless you. We go.